side?
Other side.
There we go. Nice. It's gonna be a loud cracker. That wasn't a racial thing. Things your chiropractor can say that nobody else can say. It'd be weird coming from like your dentist.
Oh, God.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I would. Alright. Breathe. All the way out.